The world is watching as big shift happens at the United Nations. 10 countries, including the UK, Canada, and Australia, have officially recognized Palestine as a state, sending shockwaves through global politics. Israel, long backed by Western allies, all of a sudden finds itself under growing international pressure. Russia was very quick to respond, by the way, their spokesperson, Dmitry Peskov, reaffirmed Moscow's position, saying that a two-state solution is the only way to achieve lasting peace between Israel and Palestine. Russia has often positioned itself as a global mediator, and this particular move signals that Moscow wants to play a bigger role as countries increasingly challenge Israel's policies. Well, experts say that this moment is very significant. Recognition by countries like the UK and Canada is more than symbolic. This could influence international aid, trade, and diplomatic pressure. Israel now faces questions not just from adversaries, but from countries that were once considered friends. Well, the pro-Palestine push at the UN reflects a larger trend here. Global leaders and populations are increasingly speaking out against settlement expansion, annexation, and humanitarian crisis in Gaza. With each new country recognizing Palestine, Israel's diplomatic space shrinks every single time, and the possibility of compromise or even negotiation gains urgency. Russia's stance also add another layer here. By backing the two-state solution, Moscow signals that it could step in as a mediator while also countering United States' influence in the particular region. Analysts say that this could reshape alliances and shift the power balance in the Middle East, specifically as countries rethink their ties to Israel and Palestine. So, we are left with the big question, right? As more nations side with Palestine, will Israel rethink its approach, or will the country find itself increasingly isolated on the global stage?